Prior to releasing this video, the entire Hempstead Town Board was provided with a copy and asked to make any comments or corrections. Supervisor Clavin insists that the purpose of outsourcing TNR was done for safety due to COVID-19, but the facts show that TNR can be done safely within the town's facilities. The following letter was emailed to each member of the town board to give them the opportunity to respond. As of September 23, 2020, no response was received.
The town suspended its Trap, Neuter, and Return, or TNR program, on March 15 due to COVID-19. TNR is used to control the feral cat population. The town's TNR program has been in effect since 2011, and the town has sterilized over 18,000 cats. The town did not need to suspend its TNR program. The governor's executive orders allowed veterinary medical services during the COVID-19 pandemic. On September 1, Central Veterinary Associates, in Valley Stream, began administering Hempstead's TNR program. According to Supervisor Clavin, the town's medical director, Dr. David Newbert, recommended outsourcing the TNR program because he believed TNR could not be done safely at the town's facilities. The program offered by Central Vets reduces TNR services and increases costs. The number of drop-off days has been reduced from 6 to 3, and the number of cats residents could bring in per day has been reduced from 5 to 1. Town officials could not explain why the town's shelter, with 47 full-time employees and nearly 30 part-time employees, were unable to implement TNR in a safe manner. Dr. Newbert is an emergency medical doctor who has no professional experience in TNR or epidemiology. On March 11, when the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic, Dr. Newbert recommended that the town senior centers remain open. On that day, Dr. Newbert and town officials gathered together for a press conference, where none of them were wearing masks or practicing social distancing. In contrast, on March 10, the town of Riverhead, which does not have a medical director, closed its senior centers. From a public safety point of view, the service provided by Central Veterinary Associates does not provide any additional safety protocols that the town could not have easily provided, like putting the intake forms online and having the pickup and drop-off of cats in the shelter's parking lot. On August 4, the town unanimously passed the contract proposal submitted by outside contractor, Central Veterinary Associates, even though there was no public support. At the September 8 meeting, the town passed a resolution allowing architect and engineering firm, H2M, to receive up to $1 million in federal CARES money for its work relating to COVID-19. Residents also learned that H2M has been consulted regarding COVID-19 issues for some time. Supervisor Clavin would not say whether H2M made any recommendations regarding the safety of the town's TNR program. The town did not put the contract proposals with Central Veterinary Associates and H2M on their website prior to the public meetings in which they were discussed, violating New York State's open meetings law. Also, the town violated the rules of its own RFP that required an evaluation committee to award the contract. Town records show no committee was ever selected. There is a lot of public demand for the town's TNR services. An online petition to resume the town's TNR program got over 44,000 signatures in 3 months. At the July 1 town board meeting, 55 people submitted comments in support of the town's TNR program. At the August 4 meeting, despite having no public support for the contract with Central Veterinary Associates, the town board unanimously approved the contract proposal. After examining all of the facts surrounding the town's new TNR program with Central Veterinary Associates, it is still not clear why there is any need to outsource the town's TNR program. The Hempstead Animal Shelter has more space and a parking lot. This allows trappers to remain in their car, while town employees pick up and drop off the cats. This safety protocol is not practical at the Central Veterinary Associates location, which does not have a parking lot and insufficient on-street parking. Supervisor candidate Don Clavin made a campaign promise to fix the town's animal shelter. The contract with Central Veterinary Associates does not do this. Supervisor Clavin says that the outsourcing of the TNR program is for public safety, but this outside contract does nothing to improve public safety. This new program is a watered-down version of the town's TNR program and is more costly and less effective. Since public safety is the reason Supervisor Clavin gave for outsourcing TNR, residents deserve a reasonable explanation, since they are the ones who are going to be paying a higher price for an inferior service.